How to fix iPhone not charging. Firstly, open Settings on your device. Scroll down and click on the option General. Now click on Software Update. Look for any kind of software updates that may be available. If new updates are available, then make sure to update your system. Now go back to your settings main page and scroll down. Look for the option Battery. Inside Battery, you will see various options like these. You can also track battery health for the last 10 days. Here at the top, you should see two options, Battery Health and Charging. Click on Charging. Make sure that you have set the charge limit to 100%. If you set it to 100%, then make sure that you charge your phone up to 80% before using it. This way, your battery health will be optimized. Go to the battery health option and make sure that you have set it to normal. Now go back again. Give your device a quick restart and start charging your device. If you are facing problem while charging your device, then make sure that you charge your iPhone with different chargers to see if the problem is in your iPhone or the charger. That's all for today. Thank you.